ratchet, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with cause and
Today I'm just doing a DIY avocado mask. For this, all you need is 2 avocados, honey, olive oil, coconut oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. I use 2 avocados because I have thick hair. I just cut the avocados in half and put it in my little blender and chopped it up some to make it easier to blend. I added 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, some Jamaican black castor oil, which I didn't measure, I just poured it around. You can add how much you want, really. And 3 tablespoons of honey. And now I just put it in my blender, and I'm going to blend it up until it's very smooth and has no clumps in it. You can stop it every so often and check with it with your spoon or whatever you're using, and then just blend it up some more. And this how it should look when you're finished, all smooth with no lumps, so it can easily wash out of your hair when you're finished. To apply the mask, I parted my hair in 4 sections, and I took a spray bottle with some hot water in it and sprayed on my hair, and then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb to detangle it. After I'm done detangling, I'm just going to take the mask and apply it to my ends of my hair first and work my way up, making sure I get it on my scalp and in between my hair so all of my strands be coated with the mask. just put it to the top of my hair. And anywhere else I felt the need of more mask. And then I just took a plastic shower cap and put on my hair. And I'm going to use my towel to wrap around it to trap the heat, because I didn't feel like sitting under the dryer. And I'm just going to let it sit in my hair for an hour. You can let it sit for 30 minutes or an hour, or however long you want to let it sit. And then just wash it out with your regular shampoo and